There is never enough fill in the blank. And I know you can do that. For instance, this morning I got up late, got out of bed, and I said, oh, there's not enough time. Or there's not enough money. I got too much month for my money. You ever heard that? It can be something minor. It can be major. So I really became mindful about it. I'm like, okay, the time thing, that's really been a problem for me because I have things I want to accomplish. So how can I fix that? Make a list. And for 7 days, fill out exactly what you're doing minute to minute. I mean, stupid stuff like those extra tabs on my computer to respond to clients. That's not stupid. Hair, makeup, water, listen to podcasts. I always do that at the same time. And then looking for a necklace, which was something that I really didn't need to do. So wasting my time with doing things like even making my to-do list. How can I make that more efficient so that I can eke out 2 more hours? So my goals are to get up at least an hour earlier every day and start my day earlier. Do the things that are non-negotiable. And then take the things that are, I need to do them, but if I don't do them, the world won't fall apart. And put them at the end of the day because that's my least productive time. I want to put my most productive time in where I'm going to get the biggest bang for my bucks. Okay, guys, I hope that this was helpful for you. And as always, be healthy, be happy, be you. Bye.